What is up, everybody? I'm on my way to the dealership right now. My car got in and I'm gonna go look at it. I cannot buy it today because it still has to go through inspection before they're allowed to sell it. But when it passes that tonight, I'm going in tomorrow morning and negotiate it. And as long as they don't try to rip me off or something, I'm gonna buy it. So yeah, I'm gonna get some good shots of it as soon as I can, and I'm gonna throw it in this video. So without further ado, here is the car reveal.